Are your WhatsApp photos and videos not saving to your phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp not saving media step by step. So, to know how it works or how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to WhatsApp. Then here in this page, you can choose the shot that send you a picture or a video. For example, this one. This shot sends me a picture, as you see here, this picture. But when I go to my gallery, as you see here, gallery, I don't find anything here. This is recent gallery, so I don't find any picture like that, as you see here. So what you have to do is, the first thing you have to do is to go to above here, 3 dots. You will click on settings, and after that, in this list, you will have a window called shots, theme, wallpapers, shot history. So you will click here. Then in this page, you will find this window of shot settings. So you will find here media visibility, show newly downloaded media in your device's gallery. So you click here. When you tap to turn on or enable this sign, it will help you to download media, videos or photos automatically to your device. So let's check if the photo is downloaded yet. So the problem is not solved yet because she has to send it to me again to click here. So I will try to tell her to send me a picture again, like this, and then we will see. So here, as you see, this is the second picture. So now we will go to our gallery, and so when you go to gallery, as you see, the first picture will not save. But to fix that problem, you can go to this picture here, and then you will find this sign of save, or you can click on these 3 dots and you will find here, as you see, save here. You can find it in this sign, or you can find it here automatically to save it. And when you will go to your gallery, you will find it here, as you see. And also here in this page, you will find this photos that I sent here. This photo is saved automatically in that way, as you see. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.